I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
Okay guys, we are playing a minigame, so let's get right into it. And by the way guys, I'm playing with my brother. By the way guys, I'm the top screen and he's the bottom screen. Caramba! Oh shit! I hit you. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's go over here. Ah! Got stuck in the web. Oh, he's shooting. He's shooting. Oh, he's shooting. I see him. I see him. I see him. Wait, come on. Bring it. Bring it in. Bring it in. Damn it! I just fell. Just fell, guys. He's not gonna kill me. My brother is not gonna kill me. I'm the beast at this. Think I am. Oh shoot! No! No! He just killed me, guys. He just did. Ooh, I got you. Damn it. Let's get to it. Get to it. Okay. Oh. No. Get up. Damn it. Oh. No. Get over here. Come on. I know you got to. Come on. Oh, I see you. No, you don't. Oh, no, you get at you. Yeah. Oh, get up. Damn it, no. Get over here. Get over here. Oh, come on. Yes. No. Come on, let's do this. Ooh. Yes! I got you there. Oh. Let's do this time. Oh, yes. Finally, I barely got him. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Kill him. Yes, guys. Oh, shit. I just shot on my hand. Oh. I know you're right there. Come on, bring it. Yeah. Oh God, this is my second time winning. Those squiggly things mean that I'm almost to the last. Oh. He's about to get those squiggly things. See those things on my back? Those are some things that means you're almost winning. That means there's like, oh my god, there's two. There's TNT. There's TNT. You want some dynamite? TNT. They will pick up a Oh my god, parkour. Yes! Yes! Ow! I was hitting myself, guys. Okay, let's do this. And guys, I have a cool feature here. And I get to, I believe I can fly. Ow. I just hit myself. Okay, guys, let's keep on doing this. Hey there, loser. How does it feel to lose? You better be sad. I bet you're gonna be more sad whenever I beat you again. Jerry, trying to get up here, guys. There we go. Ah! I almost made it. Ooh, but damn it. Well, I barely saw a button. I was gonna hit it, but I have to do this. Okay, guys, this one is for you guys. Oh no! What? If it is a win. Yes, he fell. Oh shoot! Hey, whoa, no, hey, whoa. Yes. I think he fell. He fell? Oh, there he is. Hey, hello there, losing pants. Hello there, Crashy. Hey there, Crashy. Oh! Hey there, Crashy. Oh shoot. Yes, I'm about to get him. Yes! Let's do this. Yeah! First try, let's go! Got him down on my first shot. Oh shoot, he's shooting me. He knew where I was. Wait, that's a hole. I need to know where the hell was. Where is he? Get away. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm so scared, guys. I'm scared. I never broke this, so that means he's somewhere here. Oh my god, he's shooting. He's firing from this side. Where is he? Oh shoot. Oh my god. Guys, this win is for you. This is an epic win. Oh, I still won. Oh, I'm still winning, guys. I'm still in. Don't worry, guys. Oh god, no. Yes! That was for you guys. And my hands are like sweating.